My name is Nanisha.
Sir,
So friends, that is question is so good, and sir gave opportunity to us for thank you sir. And also we know how we live in our world, and unless without the water we can't live. So that's why we understand that we have lots of opportunity, lots of thing for our service, but that's when we have not any problem to solve that situation. And what we develop for us and what we do for us. So what can you say about?
Yeah, absolutely correct, Naneshwari Didi. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Gauri Sudhir Satare and I am in class 12 in commerce field. Today we are discussing here the topic which is about
which field?
Commerce field.
In commerce field.
Yeah.
You are in the commerce field.
Yeah.
See about my science student. If you ask spelling of anybody simple word, spelling, so that science student cannot be no problem. Like accusum. These are the hard ones. If you can ask what is the meaning of that word, they can help you. Listen carefully. In science field, there is only one funda has been consistently walk. And that funda is Rashta. Okay. That has been walk with the student. And that is from the 8, 9. They doesn't know about that concept. But they can be only about that Rashta in my language. Okay, that's the problem. But how to raise their confidence and how to speak. You are in the commerce field, but you can back the science tutor also. I appreciate you.
Thank you, sir, for that. Before continuing this topic, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards respected Arao sir and respected Eddie sir. They have given this opportunity to us to speak here. Thank you so much, sir, for that. And as sir said about that, English is the biggest problem of today's time. Today people are not confident. But why they are not confident? Just because they are lacking practice. You need to develop your skills, and your communication skill is important. We are going to progress in our life. So at that moment, we have to do hard work, and for that we have to bring practice into action. Right?
Yes. So I think that you take a chance for that problem to solve anything with the mind, and just not for just for fun, because they want something, and because they know how to prove ourselves, and how to do anything with properly. So
Means I think that first of all it is important to know our mistake. Means if we got a failure in the some exams or in the any field. So first is that means we know that what is our mistake, and by doing that mistake how we back. And due to that means by doing means if we perfect that means if we are perfect in that field, but also means due to some results and due to some mistakes we are means just become a failure person. So firstly that we develop that skill, and after that means if we are not getting a success, so that's time means firstly we do practice and more practice and do get a perfection in that field.
but otherwise
Just
some people
one question I will disturb you. One question is that how will a student can make a practice? How the practice? Can reading, can this type of the reading, can English papers, can the newspaper, or seeing the meetings, or audio visual? How the student can make the such type of practice?
they do
Then common casual communication is also enhanced.
yes.
Yes.
Common casual conversation in English.
Yes.
If the student can be the daily life,
Yes.
can they enhance their?
Means we can practice by small things also.
Yeah.
Yes, small step can lead to the success. Sir, as you told about English is the problem of today's time. People
Yeah, of course.
students are not
Yes,
speaking
student are not.
confidently.
Yeah.
So they need to understand the problem. They need to understand that English is not just a subject; it is a
Yeah,
language.
that's the point.
Yeah.
That's it. So we will be taking a seminar in my school from Akko, Sachin Murgade, a very international speaker in the field of English. That person also saying about that. I have to consistently saying about the student that they remind it. English is a subject.
Yeah.
It is not a language. Okay. If they can adjust first one, that is the language for me. then I think there will be improvement about the English.
I think they learn the grammar and the concept, and that is not the thing
Yeah,
that
say about
that
the
is.
student. Say about that student. That's the point. They know. Listen carefully. In our rural areas, how we can talk. Now also the 12th standard student will talk. Should, could. Now also. Okay. Should. Okay. So that's the basic. They know that grammar. If we should know the grammar, then I will be a communication English. And
That's
it's
totally
correct.
wrong. That's totally wrong.
See.
During our English journey from the we are starting this class of medicines. During that there is no most of the part of
Most of
grammar.
the people have no confidence at the starting,
Yes,
but
yes.
due to sir, we are not
Yeah.
now speaking.
It is the most fantastic point.
At
Yeah.
initial stage, you also same like that of this.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Huh?
So
You
I
are
want
also
to.
have a
Yes.
that. Huh? You are also.
Yes.
Huh?
But by doing more and more practice and by doing hard work and so many things we have to face during that journey.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
During
It is
that we
a
can-
support.
Yes,
Yes,
Too
it is.
much.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
How many periods you can take like such type of confidence can be enhanced in your life?
by doing this so much practice.